Right, so we're back out today. I'm going to do some more magnet fishing. I'm going to magnet fish all this area. You've got some shopping trolleys. There. We're not going to dig them out. There's another 2 shopping trolleys there. But we're going to be using magnets with that new seal on.
It should hold better.
Right, so let's start.
Yep.
Right, so a young lad said he's got a knife on it. Ooh, there is a knife as well. Don't touch it, yeah.
A knife. It looks like a butter knife. I have gloves.
That's not a butter knife, it's a cutting knife. Look at that.
Someone's probably a knife.
A murder weapon.
I don't have gloves to touch it.
No.
Oh God, Leo.
Look at that. First catch, a knife. Wonder what else is going to come out of all this.
It can't be fit.
Right, Cadloo's having a throw. Well.
Try. I don't get my goal flat. No, I didn't get out.
No.
No.
Right, well, we'll move on.
We were downstairs.
Right, Caddy's called me over. You got like an
Why do you Leo, don't get that thing that I'm getting. I'm just looking it up.
like a little band.
Dad, tell Leo.
Anything you thought?
Right, so Leo's got a penny on it.
Oh.
Seems to be a standard thing, doesn't it? Pennies and stuff. Caddy's sort of pulling in a
Wheel. I don't think it's the wheel, but
a car steering wheel up.
Got something. Oh, I've got something.
It's about there. You can just sort of see it there.
If you look at this magnet here.
Little thought to yourself and anybody is, if you're letting your kids do magnet fishing, make sure they keep hold of rope, because this madam's a bit of a bugger for chucking it in, not fastening it onto anything, or even holding onto the rope.
I want to get it out there, Dad.
You have to keep going.
You can see the outline of it.
You pulled it right from over there to there. Probably caught on some rocks or something.
Yeah.
Right, so Cadloo were obsessed with getting this chair out, so she's put the hook on it. So it's called hook fishing. But if you put it together, go steady.
Oh, got something else.
Steady. Pull. Come over this way, Caddy. Bring it away from the tree.
Daddy needs my help.
No. Come on, do it together. Teamwork. It won't snap.
Yeah, we'll keep doing that. Almost. Yeah.
It's caught on the pallet. This place is full of junk.
Oh, Leo, you chair. Yay!
Well,
Right, now I'm going to turn it over because I want to sit on it.
don't sit on it. It'll be wet through, obviously.
Don't sit on that. Hello, Granny could have pooed on it. So we are obviously going to throw this back in a minute.
We're not throwing it in, we'll just leave it there, Leo, because we're not point getting it out if we're just going to chuck it in. Scrap lads come down here.
Right, no, Katie.
These two are just obsessed with this hook now. They're finding it easier to hook stuff with this than they are with magnets.
Katie, I found your present. It's a high chair.
Don't be sitting in it, please.
I just want to try and hook stuff.
Leave the razor alone, that's too sharp.
No, it's a teddy bear.
Right, out of it.
Do you mean a razor like rubber? Yeah.
Right, out of it. I've got a rope.
You
Bring
got
it
it.
out. Just don't hit the tree. Yeah.
Look, it's good magnet.
Katie's just got a bit of, like some piping, doesn't it?
It's part of that chair down there.
Oh, is there a chair in there?
Yeah, nearly.
It's all broke up.
Ah, well, you can pick it all out, can't you? Leo, please go steady on the edge. What are you doing?
Ah, Mucky walk when he ran.
What hurt you?
Like Mucky dear, Katie. Right,
Well, Katie pulled it in by hooking it on it. I think it's stainless, that's why you won't getting it with magnets.
no, it just went round to
And Leo used, show them the hook, Leo.
I used my hand.
Hook hand.
It just hooked round that bit and then it pulled it in.
Yeah.
Some other like things. Who's got the magnet? I've got the magnet. Right, look, there's some other things over there. Come down here with me.
It's not all about catching stuff every time, is it?